Hi, welcome back to my channel. For the new subscribers, welcome on board. And for those who have been with me for a long time, thank you for sticking around. Yes, I do have a green face mask on. The reason why I'm wearing it is because you all suggested that I do it. So I'm actually doing an experiment. I have been running this experiment for quite some time. I will be producing a video on the results of this experiment. So hit the notification bell if you don't want to miss out when I publish the video on this. But the purpose for today's video is to show you what this hair looks like when it's unraveled. Now, I was hoping to have done this sooner. I've kept this hair in for a lot longer than I expected to, so much so that I've got quite a bit of regrowth. I want to have a different style today. As I was getting ready, I was thinking, I promised a video on this, so here I am, mask and all, doing this video for you. I was really impressed actually. There's as you all know, I don't like to wear silk scarves at night unless it's absolutely necessary. And this hair has really held up well. Can you see that I've got no frizzing? I've had it in for a few weeks. Oh, I'm dripping. There you are, I am protected. I'm going to get on and start unraveling this hair. It unravels so easily. Just showing how it's not got all matted or anything. First one out. Definitely easier if you start at the bottom. I think I've got all of them. I'm going to go wash my face and then come back and style this hair. So there we have it, mask off. This is what this hair looks like when it's unraveled. Now, as I said before, I have got quite a bit of regrowth. And since this is just a temporary style, what I think I'll do is just add some gel. I don't normally like to do edges and things, but I think it's necessary this time in order to complete the look before I go out. And just lay that down. So there you have it, look complete. I don't like to slick down my edges too much. I still like it to feel natural. So I'm really happy with this result. It looks tidy. I really like the curls now that they've been pulled out. I can imagine though that like this, it's going to get frizzy really quickly, but for a day or two or three, I definitely love this. 2 styles in one. Tell me what you think. Don't forget to like and subscribe before moving on to my next video. See you soon.